Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and free from unwanted video messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent group members from sending video messages in your Telegram group. Whether you're managing a large community or a small team, these controls will help you maintain the group's focus and privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You'll recognize the icon. It's the one with the white paper airplane on a blue background. Tap it to launch Telegram. Next, navigate to the group chat where you want to restrict video messages. Remember, you need to be an admin of the group to change these settings. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of your screen and tap on the group's picture or name. This will open the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the group's settings. From here, select the option labeled Permissions. This section controls what group members are allowed to do, from sending messages to sharing different types of media. Inside Permissions, find the setting called Send Media and tap on it to view the list of media types. Here, you'll see various options like photos, files, and video messages. To stop members from sending video messages, simply unmark or turn off the video messages choice. This will immediately prevent all non-admin members from sending video messages in the group. That's it. You've now successfully disabled video messages for group members. This change helps you keep conversations on track and ensures only the content you want is shared. If you ever want to allow video messages again, just follow these steps and re-enable the option. Thanks for tuning in. For more Telegram tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other guides. Stay in control of your group, and see you next time.